I'm trying to upload this PDF and I keep getting this message. File size is too large to send. I have tried online PDF compressors before, but honestly, online tools are not always safe, especially when you are dealing with important files. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you an offline and secure way to compress large PDF files without losing quality. First, click on the link in the description and download Systweak PDF Editor on your Windows PC. Open Systweak PDF Editor and then open the PDF file you want to compress. Now, from the top menu, click on the Tools tab and select Compress PDF. Here you'll see a few compression options. High compression method 1. This option reduces the file size a lot. However, the quality drops noticeably, so it's best only when file size matters more than quality. High compression method 2. This also makes the file smaller, but the quality remains good. It works well for viewing the document and sharing it through email. Medium compression. This option gives a good balance between file size and quality. It's a safe and recommended choice for most documents where you want a smaller size without much quality loss. Low compression. This keeps the quality very high and almost unchanged. The file size reduces only a little, but it's best when quality is the top priority. So just pick the option that suits your needs and click on the compress button. In just a few seconds, the file is compressed. This was the original file size and this is the compressed one. See the difference. The file size is much smaller, but the text is still clear and the images look exactly the same. That's how you can compress large PDF files without losing quality in a simple and safe way. Hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tech videos.